My dear friends, today I will be discussing effect of stress on human body or how it affects various systems of human body. Now all of you know stress is a biological phenomena by which human beings faces stimulus. It may be internal or external stimulus. So it is mainly because of sympathetic activation or hormonal mechanism by which various complications of stress will be affected on the human body. Now stress of two type mainly, it is of acute or it may be chronic. So acute stress may, if the stress stimulus is removed, may come back to the normal. But most dangerous is the chronic stress, as the hormonal mechanism or the neural mechanism will remain persistent and affects the body for longer time period and is responsible for persistent effect of the stress on the human body and responsible for causing long-term complication on the human body. That's why we should not take chronic stress very lightly, as chronic stress may lead to complication like heart attack, stroke and various other life-threatening situation also. If chronic stress is not handled by our body in a normal way, or it is not adjusted in our body, or we don't distress ourselves, or we do not manage the stress level by doing some measures, by doing regular exercise, then stress may be, especially chronic stress, may be increase the chance of getting various life-threatening disease or bad effects on our normal health. So today we will be discussing what may be the effect of chronic stress on the human body. So number one is chronic stress will increase the chance of getting headache, and it has effect on the CNS also. It will make the person irritable. So one of the most common effect of chronic stress on the CNS is it will increase the irritability and increase the chance of getting migraine and headache. So these are the effect of chronic stress on the CNS. Number two is that it will increase the chance of getting peptic ulcer or heartburn. So if already a person is suffering from some acid peptic disorder or acidity, they are more prone to complication of the peptic ulcer, or their situation will be aggravated by the chronic stress. So chronic stress or stress will ultimately aggravate the acidity or peptic ulcer situation of the human body, or it may increase the chance of getting GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. So this is the effect of chronic stress on the GIT. So in GIT or gastrointestinal system, what it will do, it will be responsible for increase in the chance of getting acidity, and for peptic ulcer patients it may aggravate the condition or exaggerate the condition. Number three is what is the effect of stress on the respiratory system. In respiratory system, it will responsible for causing rapid breathing, and those patients suffering from asthma and COPD, their condition will be aggravated. They will have breathing difficulty. So it increases the rate of breathing and responsible for rapid breathing, and those persons who are suffering from COPD or asthma or emphysema, they may show more difficulty in breathing because of effect of stress. Again, stress is responsible for secretion of one hormone known as cortisol. So there is a significant secretion of cortisol in blood, and because of the high cortisol level, it is responsible for various complications in our human body. So in heart, it will increase the risk of hypertension and heart attack or myocardial infarction in future. So regular stress will be responsible for rise of our blood pressure gradually, and which may lead to chance of getting stroke, and also it will increase the cholesterol level. So plasma cholesterol level may increase, so chance of getting hypercholesterolemia and atherosclerosis is very much common in such patients who are taking long-term stress, and ultimately they are more prone to having coronary atherosclerosis or heart attack in future if the stress is not maintained with some distressing mechanism. Next one is that it also leads to the development of depression. So long-term stress may also leads to depression and anxiety. So those persons who are suffering from chronic stress, or those who are taking chronic stress for last few years or for long term, they are always advisable to consult a psychiatry if you are suffering from depression and anxiety, because your psychological problem or psychiatry may be affected, or your neuropsychology may be affected because of involvement of the mental health by chronic stress. Next important point is a regular stress or chronic stress may lead to insomnia or decrease in the normal sleep. So this is because person cannot sleep because of depression, also because of regular stress leads to persistent level of cortisol and noradrenaline in the blood, and person become more alert in chronic stress, and that's why they will suffer from lack of sleep and insomnia. Insomnia again, it increase the chance of getting diabetes, hypertension, heart problems, stroke, and many other chronic illness. Regular stress or chronic stress may suppress our immunity, and thus it is a very much bad effect on our immune system, because regular stress will increase one hormone known as cortisol in our blood. This cortisol level is responsible for suppression of T cell, which is nothing but responsible for cell mediated immunity. T cell is nothing but also known as T lymphocyte. So high amount of cortisol in blood suppress T cell proliferation or T lymphocyte proliferation, and ultimately suppresses the cell mediated immunity, and thus body is more prone to having viral infection or bacterial infection because of suppression of our immune system, more specifically viral infection. Thus chronic stress may suppress our immunity and may affect our immune system also, and person is more prone to having infection like common cold, upper respiratory infection, and many other viral infection. Regular stress is also increase the chance of getting diabetes in future. So person who are already diabetic, now if they take regular stress or chronic stress, their blood sugar level will persistently rise. So this is because of effect of cortisol in the human body. So cortisol is a catabolic hormone. It will ultimately break down the glucose level in the blood and ultimately increase the glucose level in the blood, and that is responsible for hyperglycemia. That's why chronic stress will always responsible for catabolism of the human body, break down the glycogen, and ultimately makes our body to fight against fight, flight, and fright situation or emergency response. And in taking this response, our blood sugar level will be very much high, but persistent level of high blood sugar level for long time will be responsible for insulin resistance, and ultimately it will leads to diabetes in future. So person who are taking long run stress may become diabetic in future. So we should not take stress very lightly. It may affect the endocrine system of our human body also. Next comes the effect on heart. In the heart, I already told you, it increases the chance of myocardial infarction, and it also responsible for abnormal beating of heart, also known as pounding heart. So heart will be beating in a different higher rate because there is a simultaneous secretion of cortisol and adrenaline in the blood. At the same time, there is a persistent rise of blood pressure. So because of all these factors, cardiovascular system is more prone for having hypertension and future risk of getting myocardial infarction or heart attack. Now let's come to the effect of chronic stress on the reproductive system. For reproductive system, actually it creates fertility problem. So high amount of cortisol in the blood is responsible for suppression of release of gonadotropic hormones, and finally it may affect the fertility of a particular individual. So it may create fertility problems. Besides, it is also responsible for low sex drive and erectile dysfunction. So it is responsible for erectile dysfunction as well as low sex drive in various individuals. For male also and for both female also, they are also responsible for lowering of the sex drive, and in case of male they causes erectile dysfunction, and that's why the person cannot have normal orgasm, and their sex drive also decreased. So a normal sex life will be suppressed because of chronic stress. Besides, in case of female, chronic stress may also responsible for creating abnormality in periods or normal menstrual cycle, or they may create missed periods or abnormal menstrual cycle. So both in male or female, chronic stress is responsible for affecting reproductive system and may responsible for erectile dysfunction and fertility problem in case of male, and in case of female it is responsible for lowering the sex drive as well as missed periods or abnormal menstrual cycle. So these are the various effects of chronic stress on human body. In heart, it may lead to rise of blood pressure. In heart, it may increase the chance of getting future myocardial infarction. It increase the heart rate. At the same time, it has effect on the endocrine system also. It makes the person more diabetic, and it also makes a person more addicted to smoking or resort to drinking, alcoholism, drug abuse, and also crave for more food. So chronic stress may also increase the hunger, and ultimately person may take overeating, or person may take excess food, and ultimately in future they may become obese. That's why, and which may leads to many other cardiovascular and systemic complications which may occur because of obesity or because of overeating. So we can understand that chronic stress, we should not take it very lightly, because it may create life-threatening situation like hypertension. It may create situation like myocardial infarction, heart attack, brain attack, and also increase the chance of getting diabetes. So we should distress ourselves or manage our regular stress by doing regular exercise. At the same time, we have to do regular yoga, meditation, and various measures. And for today, so we know, or we came to know, various effects of chronic stress on the human body. Thank you very much. So we should not take, so the message of today's topic is, we should not take chronic stress very lightly, as it has multi-system effect on human body and may create a life-threatening situation in future if you don't manage it in the right moment. Thank you.